Figure 8 into a snatch. Because I don't think anybody teaches this. All right, so this has a lot of explanation. All right, set up for a kettlebell figure 8 into a snatch. What we're gonna do here is take a step back and set up for a kettlebell swing. Same reach out for the bell. Bell should be lined up on the right side because that's where the power is gonna come from with my right hand. Quick explanation is I'm gonna pass the bell through my legs and not stand tall just yet. I'm gonna pass it off to my left hand. That's when I begin to stand tall, almost in a suitcase deadlift sort of feeling, and then pass it back to that dominant hand that I started the pull with. And in that transfer, as I'm standing tall, I'm gonna send the weight all the way up. So it's almost like a corkscrew effect of the kettlebell going around my wrist to stand tall. So without the weight, it looks like a little clap. Clap, transfer back, up. Here it is with the weight. Pull, switch, up. Rack, park it. Pull, switch, rack, park it. Pull, switch, rack, park it. So that corkscrew around doesn't let the bell slam on my wrist as it goes around.